Hi there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add multiple full width section slider into your GoHighLevel page. Okay, so in this example you can see here we have a full width section slider that we're using as a hero section of our page, and then if I scroll down a little bit, then you will see we have another full width section slider into the same page. Okay, so as you may already know that we have a full width section slider already, but some of our users are actually asking to use this slider multiple times into the same page. That's the point I'm recording this video now, and I'm going to show you how you can add multiple different slider into the same GoHighLevel page. Okay, so let me go back to the page editor, and you can see here we already designed all of the slides. Okay, so all of the section slides. So you can see here this is our first slides for the first slider. This is second one, this is third one, fourth one, and fifth one. Okay, so for the first slider we have 5 different slides. Okay, so if you don't know how to make a full width section content, then let me show you how you can do this. So just click this plus icon and then get a full width section. Okay, and after that click this plus icon to add a row. In this example I'm going to add a 2-column row, and then let's say for first column I want to put a headline, then a subheadline, then a paragraph, and after that I want to put a call to action. Okay, this is a button, and at the button let me add a little bit margin top. Okay, let's say 20 pixel, and also let me make this font 18 pixel at least to make it look better, and then make it left aligned. Okay, by clicking this icon. And for the subheadline we also want to make it left aligned, and for the headline we also want to make it left aligned. Okay, so after that let's say for the second column we want to add an image. So just add an image element and then click this link, and then you will see the all of the media you already have, and then you can select if you already uploaded. Otherwise you can upload your media here. Okay, your images. Okay, so let's say for this example I want to use this one. Okay, this image. So now once you are done, okay, with the section, then make sure your row width is 90%, not 100%. Okay, so in this example I'm going to make it 90%, because 90% is recommended, but if you want to make it 80% or 70%, whatever, then you can also do that, but at least 90% is recommended. Okay, so here is it. And also if you want to add some extra margin at the right side of this column, let's say for this one I want to add a 20 pixel margin right, and for the second column we want to add 20 pixel margin left. Okay, so you can do this. Actually it depends on your design needs. Okay, so once you are done with this design stuff, then what you need to do, just copy the code snippet from our GHL code snippet library. As you know, this slider code is our premium version of code snippets, so you need to upgrade your account if you are a free member. But if you are already a premium member, then you will get this code snippet into your slider section into your library. Okay, so code snippet library. Okay, so after that just copy the code snippet from the GHL code snippet library and then open the code snippet into the editor. Okay, so let's say I just added the code into this editor. Okay, and now what I need to do, just copy the first portion of the placeholder code. Okay, so slider 1. Okay, for the slider 1, copy this portion of the code and then go back to your page editor and add an option to put the code. Okay, so in this example here is the option. Just click here the custom code. Okay, then you will get this option. Okay, just open this code editor option and then just place your code. Okay, let me copy this. Okay, I think I did not copy it. Go back and put it here. Okay, like this. Okay, so after that you can save it. So this first option is done. Okay, so in this example you can see I already added this, so that's why I am going to delete the one I just added. Okay, so after that you just need to go back to your code and then scroll down a little bit and you will see the option to adjust the height. Okay, so you just need to adjust the height of your sections slider based on your content or your use case. Okay, so in this example I am using 600 pixel height for the desktop version and 800 pixel height for the mobile version, because we actually need to make this slider fully responsive for desktop version as well as the mobile version. That's why we need to adjust the height. Okay, so just put the height you need for your content. Okay, and then just scroll down a little bit and you will see an option to put your section CSS IDs. Okay, so go back to your GoHighLevel page and then select the section you just designed and just click on it and then go to the advanced tab from the section settings, and then at the very bottom you will get the option to copy your CSS selector. Okay, so you just need to copy this selector by clicking this button, or you can also do this manually like this. Okay, and then go back to your code editor and then replace your CSS selector. Okay, so let's say for this example I want to replace this one, and then make sure that you delete the pound sign. Okay, this way just replace all of the sections CSS ID. Okay, all of the CSS section ID for the slider 1 as well as slider 2. Okay, so if you have multiple slider, okay, so let's say in your page you want to add 2 different slider or 3 different slider, whatever. Okay, so just do it, and then once you are done with your CSS selectors, okay, all the selectors added, and then copy the rest of the code. Okay, so you know that the first portion, this portion we already added into the page builder, and then we will copy all other code. Okay, so we copy all other code and then we will go back to the page builder and then we will add another code snippet option here. Okay, like this, and then we will put the code here. Okay, so all the code we just edited. Okay, like we added the height and we added the CSS selectors for the first slider as well as for the second slider. Okay, once you're done, then just save it. Okay, so you see here we already added the code, so I need to delete this one because we did not we actually not allowed to put the same code 2 times. Okay, if we do this then it may not work. Okay, so that's why we need to put it once. So I already added this. So now what you need to do, just go to the layer of your page. Okay, just click here, you will see all the layers of your pages. Okay, and then you need to hide all the sections you designed. Okay, so you can see here in this example we have 5 sections for the first slider and then 3 sections for the second slider. So we need to hide all of those slides. Okay, so let's say just for this first slides we need to hide all the sections we designed. Just click these 3 dots and click the hide. Okay, so if you are a GoHighLevel user you may know this, but if you don't know then this is how you can hide the sections of your page. Okay, and then for the second slider we need to do the same thing again. Okay, so all those sections are now hidden. Okay, you can see here Okay, let me delete this one as it was just for the example to show you how to design the sections. Okay, so after all those sections designed, all the code done, okay, and everything complete, just click save and publish button. Okay, click here, and once the page published, we will preview the link. Okay, this link, or we can also click here to preview. Okay, so let me go to the link. If everything goes well, then we should have two different slides into our page. You can see here, this is the first slider, and here we have 5 different slides. It will automatically keep sliding one by one, or you can also manually switch to different slides like this. Okay, and then if we scroll down, then we have another working slider into the page. Okay, so 2 different slider into our same page. But if you want to use 3, 4 or 5, whatever number of amount slider you want to use, all you just need to do, just replace all your CSS selector, adjust the height, and then every time you use a slider, then you need to put this placeholder. Okay, and then at the very bottom slider, okay, at the very last slider, you need to put all this code. Okay, so for first, let's say you want to use 3 slides. Okay, so then you need to copy this one for the first slide, and second slide you need to copy this one, and for the third slide you need to copy all those code, and then you need to just make this number 2 to 3. Okay, like this. So any amount of slider you can use with this by using this code snippet. Okay, so in my example I added 2 slides, 2 slider. That's why I have slider container ID 1, slider container ID 2, okay, and dot container 1, dot container 2. Okay, so this way it will actually works. So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, then you can share with your friends, and also if you like this video, you can also subscribe our YouTube channel to get more videos like this. Okay, so one more thing I want to mention here. Okay, so you know that we have a premium version of GHL Code Snippet, but if you want to use our free version, okay, where you will get a limited number of code snippet for free, then you just need to join our community, which is completely free. Once you join into the community, then you can join our discussions. You can see all the posts and all the code requests, new code update, and everything. Okay, and also you will get all the links from at the right dashboard. Okay, right column of the dashboard, you can see here. And then once you go to the learning tab, okay, so if you are a free member, then you will see the free version of GHL Code Snippet library here. You can get access it just for free. But if you want to use our premium version of Code Snippet, okay, the full library of Code Snippet, then you need to upgrade your account to Pro Unlimited version. Okay, so that's it, and then you can keep using our Code Snippets. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you again for watching this. Have a nice day.